perfect continuous tense. Okay, what is past perfect tense? Just now we have completed. Now we learn past perfect continuous tense. This is the fourth subtense of the past tense. Okay, this is past perfect continuous tense. What is this? Past perfect continuous tense. The structure of this tense is subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing form, which we call as present participle V4. V1 plus ing form plus since or for. This is must. This is must. This is compulsory. We have to use in whatever perfect continuous tense we are using, whether it is present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous or even future perfect continuous tense. Even for that also we have to use this adverb since or for, which represents the period of time. Okay, by using this since or for, it justifies the perfect continuous tense. Okay, that is what the structure. Once I repeat the structure of past perfect continuous tense: subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing form, which we call as V4, present participle plus since or for. This is what past perfect continuous structure. Okay, now we come to the application of past perfect continuous tense or the usage of past perfect continuous tense. See here. Yeah, coming to the application of the past perfect continuous tense. See, we use this tense where the action was going on in the past for a period of time. Just you try to try to recognize the difference between past continuous and past perfect continuous tense. In past continuous, we use the tense, the action which was going on at that time in the past. But whereas past perfect continuous tense, we use some action which was going on for a period of time, not for a particular time. That is what the main difference between past continuous and past perfect continuous tense. This we use for the action which was continuing. We use for the continuing action in the past for a period of time. A period of time. This action should continue for a period of time. See, here the example which I gave. It had been raining since morning when we reached there. Both are past actions only. We reached there. It was raining. Why can't we use just past continuous here? Even we can write past, it was raining. But we can't write, we can't take past continuous here as the action was going on for a period of time. How could we say that it was going on for a period of time? By the word since. By the word since. Okay, this word since shows that, it exemplifies that the action was going on for a period of time, not for particular at that point of time. It was not like it went on for a period of time. For that we use past perfect continuous tense. See this example, it had been raining since morning when we reached there. They had been playing cricket for 4 hours when I saw them. This is one more example. They had been playing. That is what the one more example. They had been playing cricket for 4 hours. For 4 hours when I saw them. Okay, that playing of cricket was going on for a period of time. That what we say past perfect continuous tense. One more example we can give. I can give. Here, see, look at this example. One more example here. My brother, excuse me, my brother had been going to school since we came here. Excuse me. My brother had been going to school since we came here 5 years ago. See, brother going to school was happening since that time. Since that time. That's why compulsory here we have to use past perfect continuous. Other than that we can't use any other tense. Okay. This is what we are using This is what we are using for the action which was going on at the time, at a period of time in the past perfect continuous tense. Now I will give few more examples for the past perfect continuous tense. This one. She had been learning. She had been learning driving for 2 months when I met her. See, this is what the two actions that happened here: learning driving and meeting her. Okay, this is what about past perfect continuous tense. Okay, that's all for present class.